Okay. 2.
I'm going to give you 1 chocolate, okay?
Okay.
But wait, sit down.
Okay.
I'm going to leave this chocolate here.
Okay.
If you eat it, you're only going to get 1.
Okay.
I'm going to go to the restroom.
Okay.
If you wait, if you don't eat it, when I come back, it's still here, I'll give you 2 chocolates.
Okay.
You want to eat that one, or you want to wait and get 2 chocolates?
I want to wait to get 2 chocolates.
Okay, put it back. Put it back right here, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to go to the restroom.
Okay, I'll go right here, okay?
Remember, if you wait, I'll give you 2, okay?
Okay.
I'll be back, okay?
Okay.
Stay right there.
Okay. Be right back. Stay back. It's so cheap. It's too dark. I think so. It's a chocolate. What the chocolate is like this? A chocolate. Mom? Oh, wait, Mom. Mom.
Hold on, and you go pee.
I was waiting for you. Chocolate. Okay. Come on, get two chocolates before I find you again. Okay, get two chocolates.
Okay, you get 2 chocolates.
Yay!
You didn't eat it.
Yes, 2 chocolates.
Two chocolates.
Ooh, this was pretty. Well, I'll get you this first.
You can eat both of them, baby.